Hola from beautiful Barcelona. I'm currently traveling through Europe and I thought I should give you a taste of what it's like to see Europe through an Indian writer's eyes. If you missed the first video in the series, I have linked it right here so you can check it out where I talk about my first culture shock after landing in Barcelona. My second culture shock has a little bit to do with how public spaces can change the way you live your life and how you feel less lonely in a city that has so much access to public spaces. Now, what I mean by that is, I'm currently recording this video from a park. It's not even a park, it's basically a street with a lot of beautiful trees and benches, and it's right outside my hotel. This is the Les Cortes neighborhood in Barcelona. So if you are wondering what's such a big deal about this, well, where I come from in India, I don't know any place in my city, Hyderabad, or in my city, Guwahati, where there is an open public space like this, where people can just come and chill, and they can come for running, they can come for reading a book, they can come for doing whatever they want. I don't see that a lot in Indian cities, and this is also a big culture shock for me because how it's so open and how it's so accessible to everyone. If I just want to come out of my room and spend some time outdoors in nature, I can do that. But in Hyderabad, compared to this, if I had to go out of my house, I have to either go to a cafe or a restaurant or a mall. Basically, there's no way I can have fun outside of my room unless I don't spend a ton of money ordering something in a restaurant or a cafe. I can still go to a mall and not spend anything in a mall, but that gets a little bit boring after a while, right? Like, how long can you stay inside the four walls of a room? But in Barcelona, there are places like this, open public spaces like this, where anyone can come and sit and spend time. And this is not just it. I have seen so many beautiful shaded streets and open plazas where people can just sit and talk and catch up with their loved ones or just sunbathe, read a book, do whatever they want. I have also seen beautiful shaded streets with small chairs where people can sit for free and relax if they had a long, tiring day. Oh, and how can we forget the beach? Barcelona is blessed to have a beautiful shoreline with the Mediterranean Sea, where there are so many beautiful beaches here where you can just go and sit and chill for hours, which I did a couple of days back, and I had a great time. Now, that's not the fault of Hyderabad because Hyderabad doesn't have the beach, but there are a lot of Indian cities that do have the beach, for example, Mumbai or Chennai. So, in those cities, if I live, there is at least something we can do where we can step outside of the house without spending money. But sadly, that doesn't exist in Hyderabad. You can count this observation as my second culture shock after landing here in Barcelona. How having access to public spaces gives you a reason to come out of the room, and it makes me feel less lonely in a city that's not my own, in a city where I don't speak the language. For example, today is a Tuesday. I didn't have any plans for the evening. If it was me in Hyderabad, I would just sit inside my room and just work. But because I'm in Barcelona, I came out of the room and I saw this beautiful park and I sat here. Even if all the tourist places, the monuments, the churches, everything will be closed at a certain point, this park remains open, and it remains open 24 hours. And I have seen people walking with babies at 1 in the night. So it is pretty safe, it's pretty secure, and it's a great place to come out and spend some time in nature. So I wish we had this kind of access in Indian cities. I don't mean to say it in a way that India is bad and Europe is good. That's not my intention. I'm just thinking out loud and sharing my observations with you. In Hyderabad, there has been so many days where I felt that I don't want to stay inside room. But there's also nothing I want to do. Like, I don't want to go to a cafe or I don't want to go to the mall. What else is there to do? There's literally nothing. But in Barcelona, I can just come out and sit in the park and read a book. Like, for example, I have my bag with me, and inside the bag I got my the novel I'm currently reading, and I also got my journal. So I can just I can also read and write my journal inside my room, but I choose to do it in the park and breathe in the fresh air, enjoy the last rays of the summer sun. I think it's a way more healthy way to spend your time rather than just sitting in your room and staring at the computer screen all day long. And I think this is also one of the reasons why people in Barcelona are more chill compared to Indians, because they have been growing up with access to places like this. They've been growing up spending so much time outdoors and not just sitting inside rooms. I think that makes a huge difference in the way a person thinks. Like if we spend majority of our time inside the four walls of a house compared to how we would think if we spend most of our time outdoors, I definitely think that makes a huge difference. Now this video doesn't have any point per se, it's just sharing my observations, and this is one of the culture shocks I had. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you think? Do you think having access to public spaces is important? Do you think that a city should have places where you can spend some time without having to spend money? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to be making a series of videos where I share my culture shocks as an Indian as I travel through different European cities. So please do follow my channel so you don't miss out on future content like this. If you found this video useful, please do share it with a friend, or if you know someone who's planning a trip to Europe, maybe you can share it with them so they can learn something new as well. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep smiling. Cheers!